Okay, welcome to A Plane is Built. Tonight, what I want to do is I want to take and cut these welds off and get this piece right here gone and get this off, and then grind these and flip it up on its side, and then grind all this smooth on this one side. And what I want to really do is I want to get it ready to put the coil, which is right here, in the groove. And the groove is right here. The coil goes in there and all the way around. So that'll be what I'm going to try to do tonight. Once I'm done with this, I've got to put ends on it right here. So I got to put an end piece on it, and I'll probably maybe drill it and tap it, and maybe weld it, because it don't really need to come off again on each end. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to put the coil in it. But first I'm going to put tape around it. I'll put tape around all this. And getting tape around it is going to keep the coil from getting damaged, because in some places the coil's a little wider than others, and I want to kind of work it in there gently, but I want to put tape in here, something I can try to pull back off, because I don't really want the tape in there, because I'm going to, after I'm done getting the coil in there, I've ordered, and I know the word, the potting epoxy. So I'm going to use potting epoxy and completely fill this void in with the potting epoxy, and then that'll keep that coil in there. That's what I'm going to try to do. Here's my template I was looking for the other day, right here, which is, as you can see, exactly the right size. So everything, all my measurements worked out good. So let's get busy grinding all this away, cleaning it up. And this time I'm going to wear safety glasses, because I'm getting tired of getting stuff in my eyes, and start trying to do safety first, I guess. But so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut this off. So I need to get rid of this block that's on here. It doesn't need to be there anymore. Grinder out, put on my safety glasses, and we are going to grind that away. Okay, so put on my gloves and get the grinder out and grind away those welds. First, I might want to close the door in the garage so my neighbors won't kill me. It is Friday night, so it's really not that big of an issue. Probably should have got all this stuff ready before I started. Plug in my grinder, and then we'll be ready. All right. And here we go. Alright, so. Alright. Alright, now I need to change and put a cut-off wheel on there, but I need to get it up onto the table a little bit more, because if I don't, it's going to fall in the floor. Now, alright, I'm going to change this and put the cutoff wheel on it. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to cut this off now and see what happens. Camera to the other side here. Okay. And then cut this one off right here. Once that's done, then I can move this out of the way. That's the plan. Let's see if it works. Now that's done. Okay, so now what I want to do is get that socket that's right there. Get that socket off there. Take this over here. Get a little bit more. And I got me a tripod ordered, so that'll help. So we're going to get that socket off right there. And we can flip it up on its top and clean all these welds up. So let's get this socket off here. What I want to do, whip it up on its pad here. This thing's nice and light. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to grab all those off. So let me switch the camera and try to get a higher angle on this, and we'll get the grinding wheel on. We'll start grinding those off. So be back.